Yes, it's our only battery. Pirate took us like 20 minutes, so don't ruin
It's a used car battery, and there's no ocean, so why would I throw it away?
Oh yeah, true. We're gonna spend like an hour just trying to do this.
I am SpongeBob SquarePants.
Come on.
Go! God damn. What if I like inserted?
It's not even opening.
Me edging my
We're
car
so
battery?
close.
Come on.
It feels just like her. Ender, move.
Does it even fit?
You know
It
me,
will.
Ender. I'll make it fit.
Oh my gosh.
It will. Oh,
Hey,
you go.
hey James, I'm just wondering. Can you
Come on.
pick
Come
me
on,
up
baby.
while Hey James,
Come on, baby.
James, can you pick me up while I'm in the car?
What? What?
I'm gonna